resilient, Katy Perry. I know there's gotta be rain if I want the wonders. And I know the higher I climb, the harder the wind blows. Yeah, I've started to sleep night after night punching a pillow. But do you know the darker the night, the brighter the lights glow? 'Cause I am resilient. A full flower movement. Won't let the concrete hold me back, oh no. I am resilient, born to be brilliant. You'll see me break right through the cracks. Yeah. 'Cause you're gonna watch this flower grow right through the cracks. I've got to shed all the skin if I want the distance. Let the sun in, pull out the weeds and focus my wisdom. 'Cause there's no mistakes, just bends and breaks and friction. But do you know the higher the fire, the purer the gold is? 'Cause I died every winter, but survived all the weather. Look at me now. Look at me now. I'm in full bloom. Yeah. They tried to poison the water, but I was a little longer. Look at me now. Look at me now. I light up the room. Oh yeah.